Tired of building on your Switch and want to bring all your hard-earned Fortnite loot to your PlayStation 5? Let's make it happen. The key to bridging the gap between your Nintendo Switch Fortnite account and your PS5 lies within your Epic Games account, so let's dive right into linking them together. First, head over to the Epic Games website on your computer or mobile device and sign into the Epic Games account that's linked to your Fortnite account on your Nintendo Switch if you're unsure which account it is. Log into Fortnite on your Switch and check the Connections tab within the settings to find the linked Epic Games account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings and find the Connections tab. You will then see a list of platforms. Find the PlayStation icon from this list. Click the Connect button next to PlayStation Network. This will prompt you to log in with the PlayStation Network account you use on your PS5. Make sure this is the correct account. After logging in, you'll see a confirmation screen asking if you want to link your accounts. Confirm the link to proceed. If you accidentally link the wrong PlayStation account, don't panic. You can unlink it and repeat the process with the correct one, but be mindful of the cooldown period Epic Games might impose. Now, fire up Fortnite on your PlayStation 5 and sign in with your newly linked PlayStation Network account. Voila! Your Fortnite progress, skins, and everything else should now be available on your PS5. Enjoy the enhanced graphics and smoother gameplay.